you introduce yourself quickly. Tell us what you do, what how you help, and where are you based out of?
Yes, so I am Jyoti Smita. I'm based out of Mumbai. I am a certified Ho'oponopono guided healer and a restorative yoga teacher. Ho'oponopono, with that, I also teach mind shift journaling. I make people practice it to release their past beliefs, hurt, anger, any frustration, any emotional baggage, so that their today, the present shapes better.
Okay, wonderful. And what did your business look like 6 months ago in terms of revenue, clients, and your day-to-day activities?
6 months ago, I was struggling to get clients. I had no knowledge about marketing, like whatever UAbility is teaching, business model canvas, so streamlining of one particular niche, the description about how much salary someone is earning so that I can target appropriate people, the words, the key, what do you call those target audiences, the demographics, all those things. I was running ads blindly, and it's like, out of 100, one got converted. So the 99 were a miss.
Wow.
But right now, I haven't started running ads, but I'm understanding where I have done wrong, the things that I did not do it correctly, like how niche and how streamlined and how focused even our targeting can be, and how focused we can word it for in terms of what I am talking about, what's in terms of I am selling. So that way I am learning the journey properly, so that one fine day, if you all are not there with me, I'll be I'm sure I'll be
Handle
confident
things on your
to
own.
do it by myself.
Absolutely.
And I know y'all are there, but still, just in case. And that is one thing. And another thing was body language. Like, I used to be very friendly and trying to be like convincing them with cuteness. But over a period of time, when I had seen so many videos from UAbility, especially Jayant's and Pratham's video sales videos, then I understood the words, the body language, the power you can have with your the way you speak, the way you talk about your what you are trying to sell, or what are you trying to teach them. With that, I've got already one client.
Oh,
Uh,
wonderful.
yes, already
So
one client,
I
and
would love to talk about
yeah.
that, but even before that, let's say, what was that one problem that was, that was eating you the most before you joined? The biggest problem, if you can just tell
The
me.
biggest problem was reaching out in the right way to the right people with the right content that I'm going to say. Ho'oponopono as a subject is a huge subject. Someone is suffering from hair loss can also help come out of it with Ho'oponopono. Someone who is going through postpartum, prepartum, or someone who's struggling to make money, or someone, it can be anyone and everyone. There can be different segments and categories of heart loss or
Hmm.
heartbreak or trouble or anything. But with UAbility, the biggest thing that I learned is like always go detailed and be
Hmm.
focused. It's no point going all out,
Hmm.
because it is about getting to a particular niche, creating your niche, and understanding what exactly you can help in this particular segment. And moving on in future, I can go to a different segment, provided I have nailed it in this particular segment that I have started.
Makes
So
sense. Makes sense.
yeah, earlier I was going mass. I was thinking, okay, 25 to 50, everyone
Yeah,
goes through some problem.
which is what I wanted to know. What had you already tried? Why it did not work, and what finally made you pull up the trigger? On your ability.
I've tried a lot of things. I've tried an agency who promised funnel marketing, who themselves was doing everything, and I had no knowledge, so I was not even able to say that okay, maybe he or she is doing it correct or not correct. Made beautiful creatives, but then after making the creatives, I think the next stage which I am learning beautifully and strategically with
Hmm.
proper marketing words, terms like video sales letter. Um, the sales script, how to discover a client, that is also equally important. It's not just my talent. So understanding the algorithm of marketing is equally important, which I'm learning right now. And another most important aspect that I was struggling initially was like, I didn't know how to speak I know what Ho'oponopono is. I know what my technique will teach, but I didn't know how to convince. There was no convincing, and there was no understanding of understanding that what the other person needs. It was like what I teach. So now the shift has happened. It's a mix of what the other person needs, my audience needs in this particular demographic and niche that you all help me define and identify. Post that, what I can offer it. It's not like everything. It's like complete personalized, customized, what tools that will help them. If someone does not have time, I can teach. I have understood that, okay, if this can be made it into, instead of 20 minutes, it can be made into 10 minutes, which will help me convince this client in front of me. Let's do that. Or if someone else has time, if I can make the 20 minutes, and that will convince the client. So I have understood the bifurcation of understanding my audience more, despite what I can also help them grow with.
Oh, that's great. Let's talk about your first conversion. So walk me through the exact moment when you got your first result. So what happened, and how did it feel like?
So right now it is 2 results, because I just saw some transaction on my mobile. So I'll tell you about both.
Okay.
So first, it just happened. It was my first pitch in my own way, because we are still adapting what the entire pitch, how we will define everything by the end of it, the entire video and the landing page. We are still yet to reach there. But whatever I learned in those videos, the tutorial videos on UAbilities on schools platform, from there, the most important thing I learned about body language, and not to budge and not to act needy. And that's what I explain my client, who already knows me, who already trusts me. But there has been so many who already knows me and trusts me and has said no for the long-term program. So with all those knowledge from the videos, I did exactly the same replica, because it was fresh in my head. And
Okay.
this is it, and this can help you. So, like, if it's option 1 you choose, then you will be like this forever. If it's option 2, then you will understand guided practice, how to practical tools, these words that I used with confidence. And most important, beautiful thing that Jayant's video has it: don't tilt your head so much. I identified I do it a lot. So I was like, I've written it up on in front of my workplace that don't tilt your head, be straight. So I did not tilt my head, and I was like, this is it. And this was my quickest transaction. I've taken months to convert. Like, I honestly have taken even 1 year to convert someone from day one till he or she joined my full-time course.
And here, within how many days? Or
within the pitch happened on Friday. Monday morning, the amount hit my bank account. And right now,
in terms of your UAbility journey, within how many months do you get your first conversion?
This was within 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Not even 3 weeks. It'll be more than 2 weeks. That's it.
Great. And what was that first number that made you think that, okay, this is real? Because most of them, they don't believe is it possible at all. So what was that number that made you feel this is real?
Number as in, what was that experience?
First conversion amount?
The number was 30,000 rupees. 31,500 rupees.
And now you have a second conversion as well, right?
Yes, right now I have. So, like, learning from Pratham, who I had expressed, like, this amount at one go will be very difficult for me. So please, I was trying to negotiate to make it lesser, the amount to join UAbility. But the way he was very confident that this is the amount, the max I can do is either divide the payment or and make the duration more. So I understood the power of amount and the confidently, if you can say it. So this is a friend of mine whose mother is really struggling with something. And I was, Jyoti, before UAbility would have given in, and so I thought that, oh my God, school friend, chalo, theek hai, let's go ahead, let's give in. I know the mother also. She's like my mother. She's seen me grow. All these things would have come to my head because it has happened in the past. But the friend of mine expressed on Thursday that there will be difficulty in the amount, though it is a less amount, but there are a lot of things happening in her life, because the brother, like, for what they want to join as a family, there's a lot of problems with money, family matters, and things going haywire. So I just took what Pratham taught me. I told her, like, amount I cannot budge, this is it, and max I can do is divide your payment So
Okay.
pay in partial pay, and I can be of more help if auntie, because she is a little not of our age, if she does not understand things, I can take it a little bit. I can explain her a little bit more. Instead of 30 minutes, I can do 40 minutes.
Got
But
it.
this is what I can do, which Pratham also said at that point of time. And but the amount won't change. So that's what I
Makes
said, and she agreed
Yeah,
instantly.
which is what my next question was, but you've already answered. The question was, what did you have to unlearn and change? But you've already answered that. So, in terms of revenue numbers and clients, I know you've already said you have two conversions, but in terms of, operationally, overall operations, what has changed?
So yeah, revenue numbers, I think it will take time because I'm yet to start the entire ad management and creating ads and all. But in terms of operational, what has changed is, first thing that has changed, like I said in the beginning, is my knowledge.
Mhm.
The things that I'm learning, the things that is making me streamline my journey. Before I was like all over the place. I want to
Right.
do this. I want to target them. I want to target pregnant people. I want to target moms to be. I want to target people who are struggling with fertility. I want to target corporate women. So I was all over the place. So now
Mhm.
I'm very focused. So operational wise, that's why I'm not creating random contents also, which is all over the place, where on my Instagram people are confused, like what does she want? She wants to teach.
Right.
Now I know it is, this is it, and all content is revolving around this. Be it even, I'm also applying in my restorative practices also. I'm not going, though this course I'm doing it for the online scalability of Ho'oponopono, but I'm replicating similar things in my own other offline practice also, and it's kind of working. So the knowledge is the gold, I think, in
Okay.
terms of operation, understanding how exactly how I've been taught on a video tutorial, how, what is the ad, how ads can be run, what to select, what not to select. And
Right.
it's not just giving me a thing like don't select this, don't select this, or
Mhm.
select this, or this is it and this is yours and this is it. It's not like that. The explanation behind why not to select this particular icon, why not to select this thumbnail, why to do it like this, why not to put this much text but put this text, why to again and again mention similar words so that there is resonance about me. These knowledge about why not and why is really helping me, because I believe knowledge is gold that nobody can steal it from me ever.
Yeah,
Someone can take away my iPhone or iPad, but
that's
this is,
intellectual property. No one can take.
yeah, yeah, this is what nobody can take. And I will and once you learn something, you only grow further, but if you learn more, you never learn less.
Right.
So
Right.
it's just the beginning. So the knowledge and the operations, the streamlining and the focus is
I
great.
You yet to start your ads, you closed two deals organically already, right?
Yes.
So let's say whatever amount you've converted, right? One is 30,000, one is you yet to check. But let's
So
say
the person has already transferred the partial amount, so
partial,
yeah.
great. So that amount of the two conversion that you have, what does that actually mean for your life outside the business?
It means a lot. It means I can do it, and I've been struggling with the same thing for, I've started this practice 2 years ago, exactly 2 years ago. In June 21st it will be, actually on June 21st, and in 2 years I've converted um, 5 clients.
Okay,
And
great.
after joining UAbility, it's a month today. I think
Okay,
it was on 28th and today's
the
first.
first.
Yeah, it's exactly a month from me beginning with all those things. It's already 2 clients.
Wow, wonderful. One last question, Jyoti, and that is, let's say someone is watching this right now, sitting exactly where you were 6 months ago. What would you tell them?
I would tell them, take the leap, even if the money or the charges sounds challenging at the moment, but somehow gather it. I NUHs teach the concept of mindset shift for money as an energy. So gather that energy, not the, maybe not the fun, and invest, because it's an investment. It's not a payment.
Oh, great, great.
Yes.
Thank you for your time today, Jyoti. You were for your kind words, and I'll reconnect with you soon.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.